Hi, I'm Eric with MarineMax in Westbrook, Connecticut, and we are on a 2026 Boston Whaler 330 Vantage. This whaler is powered by the Mercury V10 400s. At the back here, we've got a live well. We've got the summer kitchen setup. So we've got an electric grill, sink, refrigerator, storage doors, and also freshwater washdown at the door entrance. We've got all of our shore power cables underneath the port side gunnel, tow rails for fishing, and a nice feature is the dive door here on the starboard side, which we also have a ladder for and grab rail, so if you wanted to get in the water, out of the water while you're out at anchor, easy to do so. The coolest part about the Vantage is the seating layout. So it's really adjustable for how you want to use it. Right now we've got standard bench seats, and with Whaler's intuitive trigger system, we can easily fold this down to have a nice lounge seat. Underneath this aft seat here, there is an additional cooler. And then if you wanted to do some dining while you're at these seats, we've got a nice pull-out table. Pops right out. That'll come up. And you've got cup holders on either side. Table comes all the way up. And we've got nice storage underneath here with our air compressor and the dive door ladder. This seat back also folds forward, so depending on which way you want it to lay out, nicely you can have it both ways. On the starboard side bench seat here, we've got insulated storage underneath. On the hardtop uprights, we've got our rod holders, we've got a sure shade here, we've got aft lighting, and then you'll see the JL audio speakers for the upgraded JL audio system that's on this boat. We also have the drop-down isinglass, so a curtain here for the aft, and then our starboard and port side windows, also with isinglass. Moving up towards the helm, we've got our captain's chair, we've got our joystick, the Mercury joystick, digital throttle and shift. We've got VHF radios, trim tab indicators, two 12-inch Simrad screens, nice leather wrap steering wheel, and we've also got our air conditioning vents here at the helm. On the port side, we've got a height adjustable co-captain seating, cup holders, USBs, again, the air conditioning vents, and a really nice, easy to get into headspace. So it can be used for storage, you can use it as a wet head, shower down. We've got our sink there, and then all of our switch panel is tucked in here. Now on the starboard side, we've got a little cuddy cabin. So this again could be used as storage. It's air conditioned. You could use it as a day bed if you wanted to. Little kids, a pet that just needs to get out of the sun, hop in there and be really nice and comfortable. They're also vented, so in front of the windshield, we've got pop-up windows to give some natural airflow. So here's another real cool part about the 33 Vantage. This full height windshield, we've got a vent, and we've got a really nice, solid door that is a heavy door, but if I let go of it, it's going to close really nicely. Super cool feature that Boston Whaler did on that door. As we come up to the bow, see we've got plenty of space up here. We can put our bow table in here. We've got storage underneath the seats, really nice indented features for cup holders, USB chargers, the speakers. Got an insert cushion here in the middle if you wanted to turn it into one large sun pad. And then below we've got some really deep storage underneath. And at the very bow, we've got rod holders, freshwater washdown, our windlass, and the bow boarding ladder. Also a really cool feature that Whaler does. You can incorporate the bow boarding ladder with the windlass so you can have the best of both worlds. Come on down to MarineMax in Westbrook, Connecticut and check this boat out.